Well, the median salary for the top 100 CEOs last year was $4,562,495, up 23.8% from the year before, which had been depressed by the decline in bonuses. Now, the average bonus in the middle of the pandemic in 2020 was a measly $1.6 million, so CEOs were lining up at Food Bank. Last year, the average bonus bounced back to a record $2.3 million. Back to the real world, and it's all about fear of recession at the moment, and last night commodities were absolutely smashed for that reason. Oil fell more than 6%, iron ore and copper down more than 3%, and food commodities joined in the rout as well. Wheat, corn and soybeans all down quite a lot. Commodity prices have now fallen almost 20% since the peak in early June, when forecasts of a global recession started to take hold. Wall Street fell close to 1% last night, while Asian markets were up and down small amounts. And the local market went up a third of 1%, with Qantas, some of the retailers and banks rising. Mining and energy stocks were dragged down by commodities. And the Australian dollar lifted from yesterday's two-year low. The big news on foreign exchange markets, though, is that the euro has hit parity with the US dollar, something that hasn't happened for 20 years. And finally, spare a thought for the poor borrowers of Hungary. Last night, the central bank hiked interest rates by 2%, on top of 1.75% last week, as it tries to prop up the collapsing currency, the forint. The main Hungarian interest rate has gone from 0.6% to 9.75% in 13 months. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.